Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the basics of instrumentation system. The most of dynamic and expandable branch of electronic is instrumentation. In day-to-day life, we come across the many instrumentation system which make our life comfortable. The sum of example are speedometer, air conditioner room, greenhouse, ventilator, aeroplane, satellite, smart gadget, smart car, smart home, smart city, and so many more. In short, the instrumentation has a wider application domain in the range of simple house automation, agriculture, medical, communication system up to the space science. So, which are the parameter? These are the three components. First one is a transducer, second one is a sensor, third one is a actuator. These are the three fundamental block of instrumentation system. First one is a transducer. The process converting one form of energy into the another form is known as a transducer. Transducer are oftenly employ the boundary of automation, measurement, control system, where the electrical signal are converted into the physical quantity like energy, force, torque, light, motion, position. That means a transducer is which convert the one form of energy into the another form is known as a transducer. Now next one is sensor. Sensor, we sense the physical parameter and convert into the electrical in form. Which are the physical parameter? Pressure, temperature, humidity, motion, wind speed, etc. In this diagram, the different types of sensor is shown into there. Like that, this is a temperature sensor LM35, and thermistor is also the temperature sensor which sense the temperature and convert into the electrical form. LDR is the light dependent sensor which sense the light energy convert into electrical form. Gas sensor and smoke sensor which sense the gas as well as the smoke and convert into the electrical form. Then soil moisture sensor, it sense the soil moisture and convert into electrical form. PIR sensor, rain sensor, heartbeat sensor, these all are sensor are classified broadly into the two type. First one is the active sensor, second one is the passive sensor. The active sensor is self-powered device, do not require any external source of energy. This is known as active sensor. For example, thermoelectric, piezoelectric, photovoltaic, electromagnetic, galvanic sensor. In the piezoelectric crystal or piezoelectric sensor, when we apply the mechanical stress into there, it generates the electrical output without given any power external power supply. Passive sensor, it's required the external source of energy to generate the output. This is known as passive sensor. For example, LVDT. LVDT stand for linear variable displacement transformer. LM35, it is a temperature sensor. LDR, tilt sensor, motion sensor, PIR sensor, and thermistor. PIR sensor stand for the passive infrared sensor. Specification parameter. First one specification parameter is there how much close value measure to the actual value. This is known as accuracy. Next one is the range. Every sensor is designed to work over the specified range. For example, in the different temperature sensor, it is designed for the industrial temperature range as well as the domestic temperature range. The industrial temperature range is minus 55 degrees Celsius to plus 125 degrees Celsius. Similar way, in the domestic temperature range is 0 to 70 degree. Next one, linearity. The sensor output should be directly proportional to the input over the entire range. So that's why the output of a slope of a graph is linearly vary. Next one is the sensitivity. The change in output of a sensor per unit change in input parameter to be measured is known as a sensitivity resolution. The smallest change in the parameter under the measurement is known as resolution. That means when the smallest change in the physical quantity generates the maximum output to the outside, this is known as resolution. Reproducibility. Sensors show the same output in the different weather condition. This is known as reproducibility. These are the some physical specification parameter of sensor. Now next one is the actuator. Actuator convert the energy into the motion or action. Actuator, it is the output part of the transducer. For example, output it can show by the motors, DC motor, stepper motor, display and relay. Thank you all of you.